How to make milk chocolate. Today, I was on the hunt for milk chocolates, but all I have are semi-sweet and dark ones. These are from last week's baking session. Why not make something fun for me and the kids? Making milk chocolate is always exciting. So I pulled things out of the cupboard, finding a way to satisfy my craving. It's also good practice for my Easter treats, so I decided to take out my cute molds to make some for the kids, too. Interesting facts about chocolate. Chocolates date back to about 100 million years ago and come from cocoa beans. To make a pound of chocolate, you would need around 400 cocoa beans. Milk chocolate drinks are known to be effective for post-workout recovery. White chocolate is technically not chocolate, it's made from milk solids and not from cocoa beans. The first chocolate bar was made in 1866 by Joseph Fry. Chocolates contain ingredients known to boost the release of serotonin, which makes us happy. Red wine has about 200 flavor compounds, chocolate has 3x more with over 600 flavor compounds in it. The country with the most chocolate consumption per year is Switzerland, followed by Austria and Ireland. Milk chocolate recipe. Prep time, 3 minutes, cook time, 5 minutes, total time, 8 minutes. Ingredients: 1 to 8 ounces bagged dark chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons sweetened condensed milk, 2 tablespoons butter, full cream milk. Instructions. Step 1, melt the dark chocolate chips. The key to melting the chocolates correctly is melting it slowly over low, indirect heat. Using a double broiler or an improvised one, melt your dark chocolate chips uncovered over low heat. Melt it slowly, allowing the steam from the water to heat up the top pan and melt the chocolates nicely. Step 2. Stir the chocolate with a spatula. Get your rubber spatula and stir frequently to keep your chocolate from burning. Depending on what type of chocolate you're using, it should only take 2 to 3 minutes to completely melt it. Step 3, remove the chocolate from the heat and add the milk and butter. Once melted, remove pan from the heat, add in 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons sweetened condensed milk. As your butter starts to melt with the heat of the chocolate, stir all the ingredients together. If your chocolate is too thick, add in a dash of whole milk until you get the smooth consistency you're looking for. If the chocolate isn't sweet enough for you, add in more sweetened condensed milk according to your taste. Step 4, pour the chocolate into the mold and let cool. You now have the perfect consistency. Now it's time to put the melted chocolate into molds of your choice. Let the chocolate cool for at least 30 minutes to set properly. Step 5, keep in a cool, dry place. Now that your milk chocolate is ready, pop them out of the molds and place in jars. Keep in a cool, dry place and do not refrigerate. Oh yeah, don't forget to share with others.